his hair. His hair's crazy. But anyways, Milt just made me some pre-workout. I'm about to drink that. We're about to go take Oliver on a walk. He's back here. Take him on a walk, and then we are going to go run and work out. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. All right, y'all, so we just took Oliver out. He is now sadly in his crate. We're about to go run. Hopefully we can do 2 laps today because I need to. Y'all, was just a bug on me, so I'm just like, you know, like when you see a bug on you, then you think it's like a million. It was a stink bug right here. So anyway, we're about to go running. Then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna do my Chloe Ting 2-week shred. I'm gonna do 2 videos, abs, and I have to see what the other one is. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got on. Can y'all see me? Yeah. So I just got on this old Ivy Park workout hoodie, no shirt, just a sports bra. Cause I don't want to be hot running. If I get hot running, I'm not gonna continue. I got this little fanny pack on because I put my glasses and my keys in there. Then I got these little leggings. I think I got these from Burlington. These are some Sam Edelson, something like that. But they got this little crochet thing at the bottom. And then I got on my Adidas, and my socks look like boomers because I have to put on 2 pair. So now I look like an old person. And then there's Milt. Say hi to the vlog.
What's going on, people?
We about to go work out. I mean,
like a bum.
We all look like bums. And I wish somebody would say they don't look like a bum right now. You lying. Can y'all see me? Oh my goodness. We just got back from running. The lighting is bad. I'm too tired, so I can't even breathe. I did 3.7 miles. Now granted, my average pace was 9 seconds slower than yesterday, but whew, sweat in my eye. Have a good run.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Me too. I gotta do my abs though. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
This Chloe Ting workout.
No joke.
Ain't no joke. And I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing it consistently. And I don't care because it's hard. I did it yesterday. And I can't tell you when I did it. Probably like 3 days before that. But I'm gonna do it today. Let me see what it is though, before I start making empty promises. Ooh, child. I wanted to jump rope, but I think I'm gonna have to save that for another day. I could jump rope on a patio, but I'm honestly just not even trying to do that, to be honest. Okay. Chloe Ting. Bae, are you doing this or you doing your own thing?
I might do my own thing.
You don't want a tiny waist, round butt?
Not especially. I like my flat butt.
Alright.
I don't need to be thick like you.
I'm trying to be thick, y'all. Rona ain't about to hold me back. Anyways, let me set up and then I'll get back to y'all when I start my workout.
Your ideas, you're not
Big.
live streaming workout sessions on
Alright,
so you've got everything.
All right, the camera cut off in the middle of our workout, so hopefully you guys saw some of it, but we did the ab workout down here, and we are officially dead. And Oliver was in the way, per usual, because you need to be working on your abs, fatty.
Lift yourself up, make sure
I'm gonna fat shame you because you're a pup.
make sure you do a little warm up.
So yeah, now I think I'm going to probably take a shower because I'm sweaty, obvi. And then I'm gonna marinate chicken because I'm making Popeye chicken sandwiches. Can y'all see me? The lighting is terrible. That's better. But yeah. So I'm gonna make knockoff Popeye's chicken sandwiches because that's what I'm craving. And then, what we doing later? What we doing later? Let me cut the TV.
Whatever you want to do. You said Trolls?
I think, a part of me, I want to watch Trolls, and then I also want to play Just Dance. But we gotta buy the game and the movie, so that's $40 for a Friday night, but I guess that's what we would spend on a date, if not more. If not, definitely like 3 times that, so. Alright, so yeah, that's what it's gonna be. I'll show you guys me marinating the chicken. Hopefully that chicken is defrosted because, oh yeah, it's definitely defrosted. Okay, cool. Oh, I need to take my vitamins. My vitamins. Also, if y'all saw, we need to get a, we need to get a, what do you call them things, baby? Things you put underneath the rug.
The like sticky things.
Mm-hmm.
Like rug stoppers or something like that.
All right, y'all, so I went ahead and pounded the chicken out for the sandwiches. Wow, they're in there. So now I'm about to go ahead and season them. Excuse me. Season them with like paprika, Creole seasoning, all that stuff, and some buttermilk. And then I'm going to marinate them, probably just for an hour because it's already almost 8 o'clock. So realistically, I should have did this earlier, but I forgot. So yeah, let me do that and then I'll show you guys what I put on it. Y'all can't see me, but what's up? All right, so I got black pepper, garlic salt, paprika, slap your mama. So that is what is going into this chicken mixture and the buttermilk. So vlogging. Almost forgot to be vlogging. Anyways, I'm making the flour. What do you call this? A dredge? I think that's what you call it. No, I think that's the liquid part. Anyways, this is the flour with baking powder, and then I'm about to put some seasonings in it. And then Milt is warming up the oil for me. That's the chicken y'all saw me make earlier. The French fries should be done. I think the fries, yeah, they're done. They crispy? Okay. Yeah, so fries should be almost done. But I'm about to cook this up, and then I'll show you guys when it hit the grease. Milt doing that part for facts. Let's see what I can try. Alright, baby, you wanna season this? With like, I put, that's what I put on the chicken. I put it light, I put a lot of chicken.
Should be marinating 24 hours. I'm incorporating the Asian swirl with that, so it kind of gives a fresh element to it.
I mean, yeah.
You say it be light.
Alright, put some paprika. Some onion powder. Those two in this like a Milt went very light on the seasonings, but there we are.
Good talking about me.
Alright, this is the time, because you know I ain't about this. Well, let me put on some gloves. That way I can get it all in the nooks and crannies. Oh, wait a minute. Now, this is the last glove I'm using for cooking, because I used one earlier. Need these. Okay. So let's see. The recipe says blah blah blah. Here. Dip it in there. It says pour some of the buttermilk in here, which is really weird. That's what it says.
Maybe I should be wearing breakfast burgers on this shirt instead of normal burgers. Tricky game here because first of all, he's asking the mission something that's not the box. He's giving them
Alright.
two ingredients that are really outrageous.
One chicken to go in there.
Starting now.
This is the cake I made the other day, y'all. I kept telling I was going. You got jazz fingers? Yeah, I was supposed to show y'all how I made it. However, I didn't have time. Well, I don't know why I didn't show y'all, honestly. I think I did. It was like super late, but it was really easy to make. It has buttermilk in it, so it's really moist. I don't know when I made this cake. When did I make this cake? Like Tuesday? Ooh, be careful, baby. I think I made, yeah, when I made this cake. I feel like it was Tuesday. What's today? Friday? Yeah. I'm gonna try to eat the cake today, and whatever we don't eat, I'm probably gonna throw away because I don't want it to be old. So anyhow. Alright. Peace. We are going to cook chicken. Alright, so we are done with cooking, and this is the final product. We both put lettuce on ours, and we made the spicy mustard. I mean, spicy mayonnaise, so that's on there too. So I'll let you know how it tastes, but it smells heavenly. Cut the lights on. I missed it here. Hey guys, don't mind the appearance. I'm looking crazy because we've been sitting in the car for 4 hours. But it is Saturday, and does this look familiar? Because we are back at the old apartment. We are in Atlanta, honestly, just for the next day. Well, honestly, today. To finish getting like random stuff we left here when we moved out earlier this month, and just to kind of like clean it up and finally turn over the keys. So I am super excited that we are finally doing this, and I'm also kind of miss the apartment. Ooh, I look rough. Anyways, we are finally done cleaning up the apartment in Atlanta, and we are about to roll out and head to our storage unit. We have a few things that we need to pick up there. So yeah, we are done. Officially out of Atlanta. Nowhere to come back to. So yeah, I guess I'll give you guys like a quick little walkthrough so you can see the empty apartment. Hold on. All right, so you guys remember the living room area. We had like the TV here, the couch. How was it? Oh, the bookcase, the little green bench, couch. Then we had our bar stools here. I miss it. One thing I do love about this apartment is it's always so bright. It's always been so bright, and that's why I like this. So we cleaned out the bedroom officially. Super empty. It's like when you see nothing in here, you realize how big it is or was. However, I don't miss this closet. This closet is super small. Closet in the new apartment is like 3 times as big, not to mention we get 2 closets. So I'm in the corner here. Let's see, yeah. All the way in the corner. And then y'all can see not very big for all of the clothes and shoes that we own. So it's Oliver. That is done. So yeah, farewell to the apartment. All right, good morning, y'all. Is it still morning time? It's almost 12, but we just got about the bed, or I should say, well, bed in house. Yeah, we did just get out of the bed, and we are on the way to Walmart. Happy Easter! It's Easter, by the way. I don't know what that means other than the religious purposes, because you can't do anything. I don't even know if you can hang out with your fam right now, but oh snap! Let me put y'all on this. We are going to Walmart because we need to grab some groceries. Bless you, babe. Bless you. Some groceries. I need to get a clothing rack for a haul that I'm doing later, beyond other things. So I will take you guys with me. Hopefully we can find what we need. We're still good on toilet paper. Emoji hands. So hopefully we can find something. All right, my battery about to die, so I'll have to talk to y'all later. All right, y'all, so we're at Walmart, and look, do y'all see this? Is it a miracle? Is it a miracle? Because we just got some tissue. I would have got that, but it was $17, so we got the 15. So yeah, finally got some tissue, thank God, along with some other items. Now we're about to go get some groceries. Gloved up. Don't even need detergent. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all that. I'll get back to y'all. Hold on. We're back from Walmart and Family Dollar because I had to get some flour. So, I don't know. I'm just going to show you guys what we got because we just got a bunch of like random groceries to kind of fill in the blank. So I'm probably not going to show you guys what I got from the grocery store. But we were able to get a lot. We spent about 150 bucks. And I got toilet paper, which was obviously the most essential thing on the list. I was trying to get enough stuff. Hold on, y'all, I'm trying to take on a jacket. I was trying to get enough stuff to last for like maybe like a week or two. Honestly, I'm just tired of going back to the grocery store in this environment. So hopefully these groceries will last us about a week and a half. So yeah. Anyways, I'll get back to y'all when we get done putting the groceries up.